In this part, we are going to implement the vuex store inside our app. And as you can see in the vuex user guide, it lets you know how to install the vuex. So we also use this npm to install the vuex to our mobile app. So we go back to the VS Code and we go to the command prompt and we paste here. Now after we install the vuex, we can go to under our pages and create a folder called store. And inside this, we create a new file called store.js. So when we back to the user guide, we see there is a simple store. So we copy here and back to the VS Code here. And remember, because we need to use vuex here, so we have to import the Vue and also the vuex. And at the app.js, we will need to find the app.js. We also need to import the store because we just create under the folder named store. So we go to the app.js and we import it here. And also we have to type store here, so the Vue will install the store. So let's back to the store.js, and there is a counter 0. We can delete this unnecessary mutation. And for example, we type in message. How we use this message is if we back to the home.vue and let's see the big title. If we change this to message and we add the compute properties, I'm sorry that I forgot to change this to export default before. So now we can save again. And as you can see, the message from the REST is displayed here. So which also implies that we installed the store and the REST.js successfully.